winners. Today, we proudly explain how OPO investors achieved 249% profit in 15 months with the Jain Irrigation Systems Limited stock. Jain Irrigation Systems Limited is a manufacturer exporter of quality irrigation company. We recommended buying this stock on 30th July 2020 at 10:09 am, and the suggested price was near or below rupees 10 and rupees 7. We had mentioned the target price between 30 to 67 Indian rupees. We have achieved the first target successfully and now obtaining a price of rupees 36 and 50 paise. With more time, we will achieve our second, third and fourth target too. We acquired it under our suggested time, 3:30 am of 29 September 2021. Be a part of these kinds of achievements, and you can join our premium services and know the manner of the successes in the stock market. Go with the given link below in the description box. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our Only Profit You Academy channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our videos with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.